I'm so sad I missed that comment. Blair, what are you doing?
I'm doing an Airstream upgrade.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
What is it? It's the SeaLevel 2 gauge with Bluetooth capability.
correct. It's a plug and play system. Simple enough.
Almost.
Almost.
You got to change the plug out.
I gotta change this out.
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
All right, I'm ready.
Is the power off?
Why?
I don't want to get shocked.
You are not going to get shocked.
Yeah, but I just gotta make sure.
It's not
Because you
gonna
told me
shock.
that once, and then I replaced those USB things, and I got shocked.
You replaced the what?
The USB things.
Oh, well, just don't touch wires. All right, so let's go over the parts list.
Part number 1.
Well, this wiring harness, manual, screws.
Plastic. Screws.
Don't need the screws.
Wire cutters and strippers.
Yep.
And peppies. Also known as compact splicing wire connector assortment.
Wagos.
Wagos. Doesn't say Wago on there anyway.
Well, I'm telling you, that's what they're called.
Oh, it does say that. 3 places. Okay.
All right, take the old one out. Wow,
Done.
look at that.
Look at that.
A lot of wires you got.
Pull this out.
Not yet. All right, you can just look at what you got and look at where you have to go. So the two, the orange and purple wire up top, go to the water pump switch. So you see how it's orange on top and purple on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
And they go to those bottom 2 connectors here.
Mm-hmm.
So you can swap those out. Not just,
So I don't need this at all.
yes, you have to swap out that other harness. So pull that other harness off.
This one.
Yep.
Off here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's gonna be tricky. Do I need a flathead to get it out?
Nope.
Do I just pull straight out?
Just pull on the plastic, not the wires.
Okay.
So we have to cut this and splice those on with those.
Do I use this at all?
Yes. The wire, the pin locations.
I splice those together with these.
This, yep.
Okay.
So let me go get my wire cutters. I mean my snips.
Okay.
How much slack is that wire got in it?
About that much.
Okay. I'm cutting them all.
Cutting them all. See? I told you. You arced something and power went out. Oh. Are you sure that was the right one?
Well, there's no other wires.
Don't touch it. Did you not see the spark? I saw the spark.
You saw the spark?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You just saw the lights go out.
No.
It's just, these are tied to the power for that light.
How?
What do you mean how?
How are those things that are attached to this tied to this light?
This is a power wire for this device, which is also for these.
How does the wire go from here to the light?
The fuse is out.
Yeah, because you had an arc.
Well, it'll be all right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll swap out the 2 little other pieces.
This one?
Yeah.
I just pull them off?
Yeah.
Are these ground wires?
They're not anything.
They're just going to be wires hanging loose. I just pull these out.
Orange just goes on top.
Okay.
Does it work? Push a button.
No, probably because your fuse is blown.
Okay, so let's change the fuse.
What do I need?
I can't see it.
Oh gosh. Which one is it?
It's one of these blue ones, 15 amp.
How do you know it's blown? The one with the light?
Yep.
This one? I pull this out?
Mm-hmm. Good luck with that.
Where are your needle nose pliers? I cut my fingernails. Type. What does he get us into? Huh?
Look at the fuse. Is it blown?
Yep. There it is. Yep. Blown.
Put a new one in, 15 amp.
Yep. I can probably do this better. Oops. Uh-oh. It's gonna arc.
Why is it gonna arc?
Because it just shocked and the lights came on. See? See?
Put it in.
I'm just making sure it's right side up.
It doesn't matter. Oh, you correct. Yeah.
Alright. Power is restored.
See if those light switches work. Yep. Anything there?
Nope. Oh, there's a light.
Pump works.
Black, gray, fresh, battery, alt.
Nope.
Alt worked.
All right. Tell us what the problem was.
I put this in backwards.
You plugged it on backwards?
Yeah.
So show us all the gauges now. Battery.
Fresh.
Oh, wait. Battery's not right. Fresh.
Fresh. Fresh one. She. Gray.
Gray. Blair and I couldn't get the gauges to work right. Eventually figured it out, the wiring diagram. So we assumed like wire goes to like wire, meaning orange goes to orange, white goes to white, so on and so forth down the line. But I believe Airstream has pulled the pins out and changed the wiring a little bit to match their wiring system, which is fine. But I had to pull the manual up for both and check them out and get it sorted out. So that was our technical difficulties to start with. Once we got that sorted out, no problem. All right, I couldn't let it be settled until I sorted it out. I thought maybe we ordered the wrong one, but so BTP7 is the one we have. There used to be a BTP3 and it didn't have this alternate button. So this alternate means an alternate battery or an alternate tanks and things like that. So I don't need those, but tank or fresh one. If I had the alternate, it'd be fresh 2. There's nothing there. Gray 1, black 8, and then I don't have propane, so that'll be nothing. But what I want to show you is the wiring. If you choose to get this thing, these are the wires that I cut off. So orange, red, white, blue/yellow. That's different than the wiring diagram for this model. So the model that comes on the Airstream is a 709P3, Papa 3. You can see that right down there. That's the model that comes on the Airstream. But if you go look at the wiring diagram for that model, I'll put it up here on the screen right now so you can see what it looks like. And then you compare it to the wiring diagram for this one, and I'll put them both up on the screen so you can compare. You have to swap some wires out a little bit. So I'm going to show you what that is real quick. So blue from the new device goes to blue/yellow. Black from the new device goes to white. White from the new device goes to orange. And red, well, it's 2 different colors of red, but red goes to red. So that's hot. That goes to pump control, really control this light up here. And then your black and your blue coming off of the here are your sensors. There's an app. Once you get it sorted out and wired up right and powered correctly, you can just easily find the app. And I will put the app up on the screen here so you can see what that looks like. But it shows you all of your tank things. It's not a great app. It's very basic, but it's really nice to be able to stand outside, dump your tanks, fill your tanks, do all that things with the phone in your hand, by having to try to look through the window or um, come inside every time. So it is a nice option. Now I've got to tape up all the green and the orange wire off the new device because they don't do anything. I'm just going to put some electrical tape on them, and I'm going to put a piece of tape around all these Wagos and stick it back down in the hole. So I put that Bluetooth SeaLevel gauge in, and if you didn't see my video on my new shower mixing valve here, I did change the shower mixing valve. So when hooked to shore water, city water, I can fill up my fresh tank from right here. But I can see the SeaLevel gauge, but it's just checking out my phone, and it works real time, so it's instantaneous. So if the gauge changes up there, it changes on my phone with Bluetooth. Pretty handy. All right, if you want to know where to get this, I bought it for, I think it was $130 on rvupgrades.com. They shipped it right to me. It arrived. It's a pretty easy install and a nice thing to have if you like using your phone apps, which I do very much. So I think this is a worthwhile upgrade and something that I would definitely do again if I bought another Airstream. It's just handy having your phone outside, and I don't have to peek through the window when I can't really see, or run inside and back outside multiple times when I'm checking the tank levels and things like that. So cheap enough, pretty easy install upgrade. And Blair did not get shot, thankfully. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to us via the comments down below and or the contact us link on our website. Hope you have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.